In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove notes from PowerPoint before sharing your presentation. This is extremely important if you've added speaker notes for yourself and you don't want your audience, clients, or colleagues to see them when you send the file. A lot of people forget this step and accidentally share private notes, reminders, or internal information. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process step by step to safely remove all presentation notes in just a few clicks. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once your file is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you can manage settings, sharing options, and file information. After clicking File, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Info. This section shows you details about your presentation, including permissions, properties, and tools that help you prepare your file before sharing. Next, look for the button that says Check for Issues. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down options, select Inspect Document. This feature allows PowerPoint to scan your file for hidden data and personal information, including presentation notes. If PowerPoint prompts you to save the presentation before running the inspection, click Yes. This ensures that the inspection runs on the most recent version of your file. Now, the Document Inspector window will appear. In this window, you'll see a list of different types of content that PowerPoint can check for. Scroll down through the inspection options until you find Presentation Notes. Once you locate Presentation Notes, click on the checkbox next to it to select it. Make sure it's properly checked. If needed, click it again to ensure the checkmark is visible. This step is important because PowerPoint will only inspect and remove items that are selected. After confirming that Presentation Notes is selected, click on the Inspect button at the bottom of the window. PowerPoint will now scan your entire presentation for any speaker notes attached to your slides. When the inspection is complete, scroll down to review the results. You should see a section that indicates whether presentation notes were found. If notes are detected, you'll see a button labeled Remove All next to Presentation Notes. Click on Remove All Presentation Notes. PowerPoint will instantly delete every speaker note from all slides in your presentation. Once the removal is complete, you'll see a confirmation that the notes have been successfully removed. At this point, you can click Close to exit the Document Inspector. And that's it. Your presentation is now clean and ready to share without any hidden speaker notes. This is especially useful before sending your file to clients, uploading it online, or sharing it with a wider audience. Quick tip: if you think you might need your notes later, consider saving a backup copy of your presentation before removing them. That way, you keep a version with your notes for personal use and another clean version for sharing. Removing notes using the Document Inspector is the safest and most reliable method because it ensures nothing gets missed. It's much faster than deleting notes slide by slide, especially if you're working with a large presentation. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.